Galaxies consist of stars, planets, and vast clouds of gas and dust, all bound together by gravity. The largest contain trillions of stars and can be more than 1,000,000 light-years across. The smallest can contain a few thousand stars and span just a few hundred light-years. Most large galaxies have supermassive black holes at their centers, some with billions of times the Sun's mass. Millions of galaxies have been catalogued, but only a few have well-established names, such as the Andromeda Galaxy, the Magellanic Clouds, the Whirlpool Galaxy, and the Sombrero Galaxy. Names of some galaxies. 1. Milky Way, home galaxy of Earth. 2. Canis Major Dwarf 25,000 light-years. 3. Segue 1 to 75,000 Li. 4. Large Magellanic Cloud 160,000 light-years. 5. Small Magellanic Cloud 190,000 light-years. 6. Ursa Minor Dwarf 205,500 light-years. 7. Sextans Dwarf 257,500 light-years. Galaxies come in a variety of shapes, mostly spirals and ellipticals, as well as those with less orderly appearances, usually dubbed irregular. Most galaxies are between 10 billion and 13.6 billion years old. Some are almost as old as the universe itself, which formed around 13.8 billion years ago. Astronomers think the youngest known galaxy formed approximately 500 million years ago. Greek philosopher Democritus, 450–370 B.C.A., proposed that the bright band on the night sky known as the Milky Way might consist of distant stars. Actual proof of the Milky Way consisting of many stars came in 1610 when the Italian astronomer Galileo Galilei used a telescope to study it and discovered it was composed of a huge number of faint stars. Our home galaxy is called the Milky Way. It's a spiral galaxy with a disk of stars spanning more than 100,000 light-years. It is estimated that 100 to 400 billion stars and between 800 billion and 3.2 trillion planets in the galaxy lies within the 26 kiloparsecs, 80,000 light-years, diameter. The Milky Way is a large disc-shaped barred spiral galaxy about a kiloparsec thick and has a total mass of about 600 billion, 6 times 1011 times the mass of the Sun. The Solar System is located at a radius of about 27,000 light-years, 8.3 km from the galactic center. Earth is located in one of the spiral arms of the Milky Way, called the Orion Arm, which lies about 2/3 of the way out from the center of the galaxy. Our solar system takes about 240 million years to orbit the Milky Way just once. Galaxy clusters are the largest objects in the universe that are held together by their own gravity. Galaxy cluster is the second largest known gravitationally bound structures in the universe after some superclusters. They contain hundreds or thousands of galaxies, lots of hot plasma, and a large amount of invisible dark matter. ACT 150 J0102 4915 is the largest known galaxy cluster. It is located more than 7 billion light-years from Earth. The Pisces Cetus supercluster complex is a galaxy filament. It includes the Laniakea supercluster, which contains the Virgo supercluster lobe, which in turn contains the local group, the galaxy cluster that includes the Milky Way. Earth is located in the universe in the Virgo supercluster of galaxies. A supercluster is a group of galaxies held together by gravity. Within this supercluster we are in a smaller group of galaxies called the local group. Earth is in the second largest galaxy of the local group, a galaxy called the Milky Way. Most large galaxies have supermassive black holes at their centers. Supermassive black holes are 1,000,000 to 1,000,000,000 times more massive than our Sun and are found in the centers of galaxies. Most galaxies, and maybe all of them, harbor such a black hole. So in our region of the universe, there are some 100 billion supermassive black holes. Monster black holes at the centers of galaxies can launch particles to near light speed. The black hole at the center of the Milky Way is called Sagittarius A, SGRA*, and contains the mass of about 4 million suns. The Milky Way galaxy contains over 100 billion stars, so it's estimated to have around 100 million black holes. The closest black hole to Earth is Gaia BH1, which is 1,560 light-years away. The most massive black hole observed, TON 618, tips the scales at 66 billion times the Sun's mass. The lightest known black hole is only 3.8 times the Sun's mass. It's paired up with a star. Constellation is an area on the celestial sphere in which a group of visible stars forms a perceived pattern or outline, typically representing an animal, mythological subject, or inanimate object. The International Astronomical Union (IAU) divides the sky into 88 segments, each with well-defined boundaries. As a result, every place in space visible from Earth now falls into some constellation. These stars are far away from Earth. They are not connected to each other at all. Some stars in a constellation might be close while others are very far away. When draw imaginary lines in the sky between the stars like a dot-to-dot puzzle, and use lots of imagination, the picture would look like an object, animal, or person. The stars of the constellation Leo appear to trace the outline of a lion. Stars and constellations stay in approximately the same spot for many, many years. The stars appear each night to move slightly west of where they were the night before. They only appear to move in the sky during the year because we are on a moving planet. Because the constellations are in a fixed location, they are often used as landmarks in the sky. For centuries, sailors used stars to determine their location when out at sea. It also has the influence of medieval astronomy. Apart from this, the zodiac signs are also included in it. Astrology is based on the belief that the location of certain stars and planets in the sky can predict the future or describe what a person is like. While astrology is important to some cultural traditions, its claims are not based on scientific evidence. The only star that does not belong to a constellation is the Sun. There are 88 constellations in the sky. Names of some constellations: Ursa Major, Orion, Leo, Aquila, Virgo, Draco, Scorpius, Grus, Taurus, Pegasus.